Hi, hello. Today we are going to make an PPT about a single question quiz. So first we are going to learn the format background. So then you need to go to animation and design, and we just need to select it will be in the right corner. Select format background. Yeah. Then we need to do for there are lots of patterns, so we just need to do. Then you need to do all these. You can change the texture also like this. I think so this is a nice texture, so I'm going to go with this. So that's all we are going to do with for my background. So then I will show, I will let us start the PPT. Okay. Hmm. Hi everyone. Today, mm, we today we are today we are going to have a single question quiz. I hope you are ready. Okay, this is the first slide we are going to do. Yeah, and then hmm, okay, now next page. So for this can we will do another format background. So then we need to go to like design. Then we need to just go to format background. So now we are going to do gradient fill. So there will be two gradient fill like this. So if you want, you can add an gradient fill. If you do not want an gradient like this gradient stop, you just need to remove it for clicking this and this button. Okay, now it's your um choice which color you want. So I am going to get black color over here. Yes, then I'm going to get blue color over here. Yes, then we can move it little bit here, we can move it little bit here. Yes, you can do whatever you want. So then I'm going to add an gradient also, so I will use yellow color over here. Okay, now I'm going to move this blue, so you need to set it. Yes, then you can just press. Yes, you can just do some changing this thing. Yes, I'm going to do this. Sorry, not changing. If I want, you can color it like this. Yes, now we can color. If you do not like this color, you can press over here, type linear. Yeah, you can just do radial, you can do anything. Yes, I'm going to go like this, so then I'm going to go with color as yellow and this as red. So then yes, so next in this page Okay, now come on, let's start. Okay, introduction, instructions for this. Okay, and yeah, I'm going to just do font. Yes, then okay. Now let us go into the instructions. Yes, there will be 10 seconds in this challenge. You need to answer before that. Then there will be 3 incorrect options and 1 correct option. You need to click the correct option. Yes, you need to click the correct option for getting the right. Okay, yes. Are you ready? Let's go! Yes. Okay, then.
So hello everyone, so now I'm going to show you how to create this main quiz slide. So first we need to be in the format background tab, select the solid fill option and you can select any color you want, but let's say I'm gonna go with the which pen? Yeah, this. Okay, I'm gonna go with this. And then you need to go to the insert tab, select the shapes and select this rectangle, and from this corner of the slide of about this shape you just draw one rectangle, and I'll just increase it a bit, maybe actually this much is enough. And then we can just type in this text here. Actually, let's just change the color first. We'll make it yellow, and for the outline we'll make it no outline, and let's type in which simple machine is used here. Actually you can type in any slide any question, but yeah, I would write this question, and then we can just make the font size big. uh, Maybe this will do, and I'll also change the text fill to black, And next we need to just go to insert again and draw in a shape and select the line option, and from about here we just draw in a big line like this much. Yeah, and then we go to the shape outline and we change the weight to about 6 pt, and then we make it a black line. And then here, let me just copy and paste this picture. uh, and here we are gonna add some shapes. Oof. We're gonna insert shapes, one more rectangle, and just uh, about, I think this much will do. Maybe move it a bit up. Yeah, and I'll change the shape fill to a black, and shape outline will be no outline, and text fill will be white, and the first option will type in wheel, uh, wheel and axle. So I'm just gonna make this a little big again. Yeah, that will do. And now I'm just gonna duplicate this thing 3 times, and I'm gonna adjust the position. These are the options of the question. Maybe I'm gonna make it a bit more small. Yeah, I think this much will do for now. Just gonna do it for all the options. This a bit small like this. One last option. That's it. And now we can change the text to whatever we want. I'm gonna just put an inclined plane. And for the third one, it's gonna be lever. And for the last one, it's gonna be none of the above. Yeah, and these options are done. So maybe we can just make these options a bit wider like this and align it like this. Wait, can we just do this? I'm copying the format and paste it. No, it doesn't work. So then we do this for all the shapes. Just make sure that everything is equal. It's gonna look neat. One last shape. Okay, and we are done with the design of this slide. Actually, wait, we just need to add in an oval. So we can go to insert, shapes. Let's add in this circle and let's make it like this. Actually, 1 second, to have better control of it, we'll try a rounded rectangle. Just insert it like this. And this orange dot here shows the angle of the roundedness. Yeah, this will do. Make it a bit small. And for this, we're gonna change the fill to a orange color. Yeah, this will do. And the shape outline to a red color, and maybe make it a bit more thick, like, yeah, this much will do. And yeah, so we are done with the design of the quiz slide. If you want to know how we get this picture, actually you can't find, it's a bit difficult to find a transparent picture online. If you want to know how to remove a background from a picture, just keep watching. Vidyut will tell you how to.
Yeah, now I'm going to tell you how to remove a background from a pic. So you need to open Google Chrome and just type remove bg. Then you need to enter it. Then it will come over here. So then you need to click with the upload image, and then you need to upload an image. So and then yeah, and it will get uploaded, and that's all in this. And we need to wait till it comes, and now we need to download it again. It will remove every background. So you want, you can edit it also. So I'm going to download it. Yes, you need to click it download. So I'm going to download it. So that's all in removing background from a pic. So bye.